Yo, it's early as a motherfucker. Goddamn it. Early as a motherfucker. Oh. But anyway, today the first month. Today is the first day of the month, goddamn right. So, what I gotta do this morning? A nigga just gotta pay his rent. And I'm thinking, go ahead and pay this rent real quick. Go ahead and try to get this other second job, real life, real talk, real shit. And that's it. And get this money. Do a couple of songs. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't seen this right there. Y'all pray for the boy. So, shit. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? That's what the fuck it is. So, what else y'all want me to say? Y'all saw the boy. Peace, you heard?